According to ChatGPT, both philosophy and astrology are associated with the ninth house, or fall under the domain of the ninth house. Therefore, is it valid to assume astrology is similar to philosophy? In the red corner, philosophy, as a discipline of questioning and seeking meaning, fits perfectly in the identification of ninth house, because it's about exploring concepts, values, and beliefs that go beyond immediate practical concerns. In the blue corner, astrology deals with knowledge that helps us make sense of our lives in a bigger context. The ninth house is where we explore our beliefs about the universe and our place within it, which makes astrology a natural fit here. So, yes, we can boldly assume that astrology is at least similar to philosophy. With that out of the way, the next question would be, what are the important statements about astrology? In my opinion, astrology is about exploring what drives or motivates your mind. Astrology also helps on discovering what made you picking up these beliefs, as well as what made you mentally enthusiastic about these beliefs and philosophies. Astrology is identified as ninth house in astrology, yes? Yes. So, because ninth house is identified as a house with fire elements, and fire elements are associated with joy, hence ninth house is a house that explores joy. However, in this case, this specific joy is about mental fulfillment, subtle joy, bliss, and/or introspection. So, we established that astrology, at its essence, is a tool used to help us seek our sources of joy and happiness, what motivates and drives us through information and knowledge. Yes? Yes? This is just my speculation, allegedly, because no astrologers had verified this yet. But it seems most people seek out astrology because they are not happy about their current lives. So they want answers so they can steer their lives in a direction they are happy about it. ChatGPT seems to support this, saying that the insights it offers can feel like guidance, giving people a sense of direction and dispel their confusion, or a certain understanding they may not find elsewhere. Others look to astrology to explore their strengths, or how they might grow in new directions, which fosters a deeper sense of meaning. From my research recently, there are 3 types of joy according to astrology. Physical and sensual joy, which came from the first house. Narrative joy and self-expression, which came from the 5th house. Bliss and enthusiasm of beliefs, which came from the 9th house. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.